Now let's talk about templates. There are a couple of different kind of templates, and I'll be going over both of those. First, let's take a look at this template right here. You can see that it's got room for 2 pictures. It's got a place for embellishments, and this is a PSD file, so this is a layered template. But what you will notice on this template is that it seems very flat. There's no kind of shadowing. So the designer that created this basically expects you as the scrapbook artist to add in your own effects. And that is a little bit less common today than it used to be. Now that most templates are created, they will all have an effect to them. For instance, this one right here, most of them are grayscale. In this designer's case, she uses an aqua for her gray, but all of hers look pretty much exactly the same in as everything that would normally be grayscale she has done in aqua. But you can clearly see the difference here. The shadowing, this particular designer does an incredible job of doing custom shadows just to make it look realistic and really pop on the page, the same a paper version of this same design would look. So the water stain is going to be on there, the paint stain in the background, that's going to be on there, and you would just you would either change the color of this, change it to a completely different stain, or you could clip something over this particular stain to change the color. But all of these elements are meant to be placeholders. This is not a finished product. This is not a quick page where you're just loading your pictures. The expectation is this is a grayscale model of a template, so you would change literally everything about it, including the paper. But the hard part is done in that you don't actually have to think of a design for your layout. That part has been done for you. You just do the creative process of determining what elements you want where, what color scheme you want to use, what kit you want to use if you prefer to use a kit, and then you would add your pictures as well. Let's take a look at another one similar so that there is no confusion. This one, you can see, has color. However, the difference is, again, this is just placeholders. This is probably colors that matched a coordinating kit to just show you that it went with that particular kit, and everything is meant to be replaced. You could do similar colors, and I have done that a lot, and it's very effective and a very quick way to go, okay, I want to pick a kit that has aqua, green, orange, and a hot pink. And you can kind of just replace the orange and put your orange elements where their orange elements are. And it can make the process go by much quicker if you have all the same colors, or if you know what colors you're going to substitute for. This particular artist loves white space, so if you look at a lot of hers, you'll see a lot of white space in her kits. So those are the two types of templates we will that are typically used when people get templates, shadowed and non-shadowed. Some people like to do their own shadowing. Most people, however, myself included, I prefer the shadowing, especially if I know the artist really takes the time to do a good job with their shadow effects. And then that's something I don't have to worry about, and I can be more productive in recording my family's memories and history and working on that as opposed to working on effects. So there you have it. There's the two different types of templates, and our next thing will be opening everything up in Photoshop Elements and going from there to create a layout using a template.